Today I'll talk about sales promotion. It is one of the way of marketing communication, and this lecture is one of my series of lectures on marketing management. Sales promotion schemes are aimed at three targets, namely consumer, trade partners, that is distributors and retailers, and sales force. First, let us see consumer promotion. Consumer promotion aims at encouraging the product or service usage at the consumer level. Some of the schemes are over-the-counter giveaways, price offs, quantity offs, sampling, in-package premium, banded premium, container premiums, self-liquidating premiums, coupons, personality premiums, refund offers, trading stamps, contests, lucky draws. So organization of consumer scheme first of all requires setting of objectives and thereby selection of scheme. And when we execute the scheme, we need to follow up and measure the effectiveness of the scheme. Organization of consumer contest. We should set the objectives. The legal aspect include Price Competition Act 1955. Four things determine the success of a contest and hence need careful consideration. And these are type of contest, the price schedule, advertising and promotion of the contest, rules governing the contest. Now let us see trade promotion. Trade promotion schemes include dealer loaders or merchandise deals, buying, selling allowance or discounts, coupons, shelf space incentive, display contests, sales contests, gifts, trade cooperative allowance, premium or push money, and provision of POP material. Now let us see sales force promotion. Four methods of sales force promotion include awards tied to unit sales. Second is awards given to those who achieve more than a specific percentage of their sales quota. Third is awards given to those who perform best in relation to their individual quota. Fourth is awards given on account of special achievements as notified by the organization from time to time. What are the advantages of sales force promotion? The advantages of sales incentive include increased sales per salesperson. It also boosts morale of sales force, increase in units sold per salesperson, launch of new products, increase average sales per account, promote dealer activity, boost recession period sales, upgrade existing accounts to high ticket products, and it may revive old products. Organizing a sales force contest. First of all, we should have a theme of sales contest. We should frame the rules. Then is participation by sales force, and we need to promote the sales contest. Then measuring the effectiveness of sales promotion. The prerequisites for measuring the effectiveness of sales promotion include a written sales promotion goal, the evaluation criteria, a data bank of past sales, and an organization for monitoring and evaluation. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.